Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff Couple.
Hello.
So what we do is when they come in, the open house, we actually have them fill out one of these cards here so we can put it in here, and we do the cash drawing, and we say right in the advertisement, cash drawing on this house will be held at 2 o'clock. So we give the time on the Craigslist and the Zillow and the door hangers. Who wants to win a $100 bill?
$100!
Ticket.
Yeah?
Give
Okay, now give it to me.
The winner is 462.
Yay! Congratulations. Good job.
There you go. Okay, here goes.
There you go. You're still in the running.
The winner
for $100.
is 7. $100. Woo! The winner is 922.
922.
Congratulations. Yay!
$100.
It's a big screen TV. Woo!
Who wants to win the TV?
I'm gonna draw the ticket. 6. Awesome. Let me see the number. There we go. $50. $50. Who feels lucky? Woo! Yeah! Oh, that's so cute.
All right.
738. And so that's part of the open house, creating that urgency and getting a ton of people out here interested in this house. We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.